Good morning, everybody. This is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing, with today's pre-opening grain and livestock comments for Thursday, the 23rd day of April. Um, Open interest dropped in beans yesterday. Not surprisingly, beans, went up there and re-challenged the two-year high at 74. Believe it or not, we're trading at 55 right now. So, second time we tried to break through 74 and we failed. You see open interest drop a little bit as some of the longs bailed on that failure. What's driving it? The uncertainty in with what's going on in Iran with the Persian Gulf. No two ways about it. And I don't think until that gets settled, we're going to have um, less choppy markets. So I would continue to see very, very choppy markets based on what's going on with crude oil. Crude oil is back to 93 bucks this morning. Overnight, July corn down a half cent, 462 and a quarter. December corn unchanged, basically sitting at 482. I gotta say, with corn, these corn sitting at 482, that's got to be a victory. We're not at 98, but boy, we're not down at 445. So we haven't had a lot to work with this year for these corn. A 50-cent range from 44 to 98. Don't let 482 corn turn back into 440 corn or sub $4 corn. Just nobody can predict if that's where we're gonna head or not. But um, I would say defend what you can. The weather premium is dwindling, right? Planting progress is ahead of the 5-year average. So every day that planting keeps cruising along, the weather risk, the weather premium starts to fade. And I think that's what you're seeing now with these markets. Wheat did manage to be up 2 3/4 cents overnight. KC up 5 cents again at 655 and a quarter. However, both wheats, KC and Chicago, failed to take out their big resistance levels there, especially in KC July. It's failed about 6 times to take out 660. I can tell you this: if we ever get above 660, that would be very, very friendly for wheat, especially for KC wheat. July Chicago, again, it's certainly 609 is a heck of a lot better than where we were in January at 525, right? So still almost $1 higher. Um, Again, you don't want to be in a situation with wheat. We're back down to 525 and you didn't do anything. So defend, defend, defend. That's what I would say this morning. In the protein complex, we're going to see is if cattle can find some footing here and turn around. We have seen some liquidation here in the past 5 days. And I would continue to see choppy, choppy trade there in cattle as well. Very, very difficult, very technical. I would expect to see another $5 or $6 range in feeders as this market tries to find its footing. We are under some pressure, and this morning the stock market's down 300, the S&P is down 17. Nothing horrendous as of yet. I'd say we're going to continue to trade with what's going on in the Persian Gulf, and that changes hour to hour, minute to minute, depending on whose boat's getting seized. Okay, guys, this is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing, 312-638-8868. By the way, if you have May options, those expire tomorrow. Take care.